check this out. What happens is, let's say our hands are up or whatever. It doesn't matter if I do a lead or reverse. Anybody figured out the Tai Chi moment in this? Because there's a Tai Chi moment in this. Wing Chun is trying to reach Tai Chi Chuan in this. So if I punch, you can just slightly go to the outside and just punch and just walk in and push me off my center. He doesn't even have to cover so much as that he's basically bumping my body, right? So it's almost like this. I ain't gonna do it towards him, but I'm just showing the movement. Like I'm getting out of the way. There, my shoulder got the cover. I got this point. And I could just walk him through and bounce him off, right? So he could do that towards me, right? I'll have this punch. Just bounce me off, right? Come on through. That's a bumping motion. That's Tai Chi Quan, that's Bagwadong, that's Sing Yi, that's Bai Ji Quan. That's any martial art. It's just smart. Come on now. It's just going through the opponent. It's literally, I'm taking my body and I'm treating it like a train. And I'm gonna run into my opponent. Hawkins Chung does this a lot. So if I lead, he's getting out of that way, bump, right? If I reverse, right? He's getting out of the way, bump. You see that? It doesn't matter where. Balance broken, I don't have it. So I'm just, bump, right? So I want y'all to practice that.